Today, coronavirus frontmen, the vice president.
Well, there will be more cases, there's no question.
And Secretary of Health and Human Services.
We're ramping up testing.
Spread the Trump administration's message across Sunday programs. While President Trump tweeted about expanded screening for travelers involving certain high-risk countries, the president adding they will also be screened when they arrive in America. While the State Department has issued a range of guidelines on international travel to high-risk areas, Mike Pence said the U.S. is asking for specific help as flights depart countries with active coronavirus.
Do not travel to those affected areas in Italy and in South Korea. But we're also making that connected to a screening process that we've already initiated discussions with both countries.
Inside the U.S., administration officials say they do not recommend restrictions on travel within the country at this time. But
State or local public health offices, which are the front lines of response, might make their own decisions to do that.
While the administration is projecting caution on the public health aspects of the virus and its spread, the psychology of the financial markets, hard hit this week, triggers a more optimistic message from the White House.
The stock market that saw some downturns this week, it'll come back, but our focus is going to remain on the health and well-being of the American people.
And Kelly's with us now. The president has some high-profile meetings this week, Kelly, concerning the coronavirus, right?
Kate, expect the president to try to remain visible on this issue. Tuesday, he's scheduled to go to the National Institutes of Health, where they're doing some of the clinical trials related to the virus. Tomorrow, drug company executives will be here at the White House. The president's saying there will be more briefings as he tries to mix management of this emergency with some of his planned campaign travel.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.